Legends of Learning presents the Space Rescue, the Motion Mission game. This is a science game that makes learning about the patterns of motion fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, the player will take on the role of an astronaut who must rescue a mining spaceship damaged by a satellite. The goal is to reach the control cabin and activate the autopilot so the ship can return to the space yard on Mars for repairs. However, the path to the command center is full of obstacles, making access difficult. Each level will feature a puzzle that requires knowledge of physics, motion and force to solve. The astronaut will have to go through several sectors of the ship, solving specific puzzles such as removing obstacles, reaching tools, and activating doors in order to access the next sector. Use WASD or arrow keys to move around the environment to complete tasks. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.